Hello students, today I am going to explain the chapter A Vacation in Space. Space is always an interesting subject for all. To know the unknown things, people started space exploration. But only the most intelligent minds, means the scientists and very rich people of this world, are able to go to space. Traveling into space for entertainment is called space tourism. Dennis Tito from the US, who spent almost $20 million for 8 days in space in 2001, was the first space tourist in this earth. At first, the Russian Space Agency has provided space tourism opportunities. Between 2001 and 2009, they sent 8 tourists into space, but their flights were organized by a US-based private company named Space Adventures. Demand for space tourism is on a rise, and it gives clear indication that space tourism is going to be a prosperous industry in near future. Companies like Virgin Galactic, Space Island and SpaceX have emerged and started creating a space tourism industry. Orbital technology is developing the commercial space station. A Russian company has decided to build a space hotel and 7 guests will be able to lodge there. They will get good food, specially designed showers and high quality beds. From the windows of the space hotel, they will be able to see the earth, as the craft will pass our planet every 90 minutes, so it will provide the guests 16 sunsets and 16 sunrises within 24 hours. In the space hotel, the tourist will be able to watch TV or log on to internet. They will also enjoy the experience of weightlessness. In the initial stage of this space tourism industry, common people will not get a chance to enjoy a vacation in space, as it is too costly. But when this industry will start making profits, prices are likely to come down. Several projects are underway to commercialize space travel. Now this commercialize means to try to make money out of something. In a word, we can say for business purpose. So Space Island Group, a company, is working on a ring-shaped rotating commercial space infrastructure. They will build the space city out of empty NASA space shuttle fuel tanks and place it about 644 kilometers above the Earth. Spaceship One is the world's first non-governmental spacecraft. This piloted vehicle won the Ansari X prize. The amount of the prize is $10 million. Another private company named Virgin Galactic will provide the tourist suborbital space flights. Spaceship Two is Virgin Galactic's suborbital spacecraft. Suborbital means it will be within the orbits. This company plans to hang Spaceship Two underneath its White Knight carrier aircraft. It will fly to 40,000 feet and release the rocket plane Spaceship Two. Spaceship Two then will use its rocket engine to zoom to an altitude of over 100 kilometers. At this point, the passengers or the tourist will experience several minutes of weightlessness before strapping back into their seats for the ride back to the Earth. Another important company in this space exploration is SpaceX. Its Dragon capsule was the first commercial space vehicle to successfully attach to NASA's International Space Station through its robotic arms. So it is sure and certain that space tourism has a great future, and even common people will also save money for vacation in space. I hope you have understood this chapter. Now I request you to read the chapter once again, and then I will ask you inside questions. Thank you, students.